Hey everybody, Greg Luchak with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you a new beautiful home listing tour. Fall is upon us and we're here in the beautiful Pine Creek neighborhood at 3815 Cherry Plum Drive. This is a fantastic location. You've got the beautiful community park, including splash pads, just steps away for the kids. You've got fantastic walking trails all throughout this community. You've got easy access to John Venezia Park, as well as great restaurants, shopping, and you've got Memorial Hospital North just out the back of this beautiful home. You're sitting on a generous lot that's nearly 7,300 square feet. You've got a beautiful, mature landscaping package that has been absolutely taken care of, and the home has been fully remodeled. You've got nearly 3,300 total square feet in this home. You've got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and you've got a tandem 3-car garage that's over 750 square feet. So you've got a huge garage attached to the home. This home was built in 2003 by Classic Homes. You've got beautiful fresh exterior paint throughout the home, and you've got a nicely landscaped backyard that includes an extended flagstone patio, full fencing throughout the backyard. This home does have air conditioning, mature trees, and again, lush landscaping throughout the front and the backyard. The interior finishes are spectacular, and this home has been completely updated and is absolutely move-in ready. Let's go check it out. Now, when you enter this home, you're going to notice immediately some of the beautiful architectural design with great archways framing this fantastic formal dining room space upon entry. You also see to the left, you've got a dedicated home office. Those beautiful hardwood floors that are going to greet you immediately upon entry do transition into the home office as well, and it's smartly positioned just off the front of the home. As we follow those hardwood floors into the heart of the home, you can see you've got a big great room area with tons of natural light, double height ceilings, these beautiful built-in entertainment shelves, a tile-clad gas fireplace. You've got a big eat-in kitchen that features separate dining space, as well as a counter bar for 4. You've got copious amount of cabinet space, as well as countertop space. The appliances here do stay with the home. You've got a large kitchen pantry, and you've got recessed lighting throughout the kitchen. As we go upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms on the upper level, including a spacious master suite. The master suite features a large walk-in closet, tons of natural light, great south-facing views, brand new carpet, and you've got an attached 5-piece bath that includes a separate shower, deep soaking garden tub, double vanity sinks, and beautiful tile work throughout. As we walk out the master, you'll notice you've got a laundry room to the right. You've also got a small loft area. You've got these beautiful stairs that feature wrought iron railing and beautiful wood trim. And you've got 2 secondary bedrooms on the upper level as well. Both are spacious, both feature big closets. You can see 2 panel doors with black hardware and trim. And they share a spacious Jack and Jill bathroom with large vanity space as well as a tub shower combo. The tour's not over yet as we go to that fully finished lower level that features a lot of living space. You could see fresh new carpet down here as well. You've got a large family room that can really be easily broken up to be a game room, TV area, pool table room, whatever you can imagine. You've also got the home's 4th bedroom on this lower level. It is spacious, again, with great closet space. This fully finished lower level also features a large full bathroom that's been beautifully updated and maintained, as well as a large storage space. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful home in this absolutely wonderful location. This home does have a new roof that was just installed in 2024, and there will be a refrigerator that matches the rest of the appliance set going in soon. We are also offering a 2.5% incentive to any realtor who does bring the buyer. So for all of our realtor friends, come on by. Thanks so much for checking out this listing tour. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.